There are several things that can help you become wealthy over time. Here are 5 of them. Saving money. Saving money is one of the most important things you can do to build wealth. Start by creating a budget and sticking to it, and then look for ways to save money on everyday expenses. Investing. Investing your money can help you grow your wealth over time. Consider investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate to diversify your portfolio and maximize your returns. Starting a business. Starting a successful business can be a great way to build wealth. Look for opportunities to start a business that solves a problem or meets a need in your community. Education and skill development. Investing in your education and developing valuable skills can lead to higher paying jobs and better career opportunities over time. Living below your means. Living below your means can help you save more money and avoid unnecessary debt. Look for ways to reduce your expenses, such as cutting back on eating out or downsizing your home. Remember, building wealth is a journey, and it requires effort and discipline over time. By focusing on these things, you can put yourself on the path to financial success.